Hi, in this video we'll show how to replace your low beam headlight bulb. First, locate the low beam bulb housing cover. It should be at the very back of the headlight bulb housing box. Next, remove the cover by turning it in a counterclockwise direction. Next, remove the bulb socket by reaching in and turning it counterclockwise, then gently pulling it out. Be sure not to touch the bulbs directly with your fingers, as the oil moisture in your skin may damage the new bulbs. We recommend wearing gloves for this procedure. Next, grip the old bulb by its metal base, and gently wiggle it, while pulling it out of the socket. It's good to add some bulb grease, to improve the connection, and prevent corrosion. Add a small dab of bulb grease to each prong before inserting the new bulb into its socket. Insert the new bulb into the socket, making sure the metal base aligns and fits flush into the grooves of the socket. Next, carefully reinsert the bulb socket into the bulb housing box, and turn it clockwise slightly, until it locks into place. Now, replace the bulb housing cover, and turn it clockwise until it stops. This will complete the job. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.